So maintain 15, 1,500.
Traffic.
Go down to 13. You get a better view at that altitude.
Traffic upwind off runway 2 and right. We'll pass behind you.
Hello 5, I've got the crosswind. I'm looking for the upwind.
Cessna 804. Continue upwind.
There you go. Try to keep it at or above 13.
1 mile altitude indicates.
Give us a 500 foot buffer from the Bravo too.
Helicopter inside, crosswind behind them, 804.
Cool.
Make a turn over to Saco Field.
Runway 2
Yes,
right
sir.
over the option.
Perfect. All right, watch that descent.
436 here, Papa. Cessna 436 here, Papa. Runway 2 right, clear for the option.
You said at or below 13?
At 13. Just keep it at 13.
I'll pass behind you.
All right,
I've got them inside as well, Airlo 5.
a little low.
At speed at 600, nodal at Alpha 4, turn right at Alpha 4, cross.
Oh, you're doing great.
Right, contact ground point 9er.
Sorry, what?
You're doing great.
At speed 600, roger, left turn at Bravo 3, join Bravo, ground point 9er.
Look at all that. That's cool as heck.
Yeah, that is awesome. This is the first time I've gotten to fly over this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we've always, well, I mean, we were south of it when we did the other cross country.
Nothing like it when you're doing it by yourself. When you're doing it, like, you're the one flying, you know?
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Okay. Can you stow this for me?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. I don't like to land with both kneeboards on. It's just too much.
All good.
Wow. We're far enough away, right?
Oh, yeah, we're doing great. Super cool.
Go straight over Central Field?
Yep. And then when you get there, just report it. Go ahead and descend down to 1100.
Cessna 804, number 2, follow Cessna right base, runway 31 right.
Yeah, we'll go down to 1100 feet.
2 mile final for the left is a Mooney.
Start that now?
Turn right,
Yeah.
the option number 2 says inside, 804.
So 7 Echo Victor, enter the left downwind, move over to the west side of the center line, enter left downwind for runway 31 left.
Left downwind, 31 left, 7 Echo Victor. All right, we're going to the big runway.
Maintain 1,100?
You're going to have to go down a little bit here.
All right. 1,000, right?
Yeah, drop it down to 9.
We're going to have to come around, though. We're going downwind, right?
Yeah, we're going to be on the downwind for 31 left. So we're doing perfect here.
Altitude's good?
Yep. Down to 900 feet. Ever think you'd be crushing it at 900 feet in one of these things?
Oh, my God.
Over the industrial area.
We're going to land in the river if it goes, but... Okay.
Oh, I want a shot at one of those rooftops.
You think?
Oh, yeah, I think we could do it in this thing.
Okay, I've had a habit on controlled airports of getting too close on downwind, so I'm going to make sure I stay far enough away that I don't have to make a nasty, nasty base turn.
Sure.
How far out?
Cessna 60, Papa, turn right at Alpha 4 or 3, then contact ground.
Alpha 4. Right about here is good. Good start.
What?
Right about here,
turn right at
parallel
Alpha 9er, then contact ground point 9er.
Right about there?
Yeah. Even that's a little bit
26
closer,
right,
but you got a lot going on out here.
That's 7 Echo Victor, thanks. Pattern altitude 800, runway 31 left, clear to land.
7 Echo Victor, 800, runway 31 left for the land, clear to land. Why are they pushing us down so low?
Because we got that 1100 foot Bravo above us.
804 will be making a full stop.
That's 804, roger.
Looks like we don't have a lot of room before that hill on the base turn.
Yeah, it gets tight. 1219.
Putting ground in already?
Yep, 21.9 for you. And we'll taxi over to the flight museum.
All right.
You can see how close we are to SeaTac right now.
Yeah. Alright, looks like we got a displaced threshold and a arrestor system.
That's an 804, contact ground.
Ground point on 804, thanks.
Since we're a little lower than normal, do I want to delay my descent slightly?
No, you're going to keep it a little tighter anyways, so it's going to work out really well.
Okay, power is coming off. Name the numbers. First notch of flaps is in. Go ahead and turn base.
Yep. Well, it is pretty bad. Okay, watch that airspeed a little bit. And Boeing Tower, Cessna 4360 Papa, holding short 31 right, ready for takeoff, close traffic.
Cessna 4360 Papa, Boeing Tower, make right close traffic, runway 31 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, right close traffic, 31 right, 4360 Papa. Well done, sir. Alright. Little right rudder, left aileron.
Right close traffic.
That's 4804, Boeing Tower, roger, follow the Cessna departing head, make right close traffic, runway 31 right, cleared for takeoff.
Okay.
Clear right close
Alright,
takeoff.
full stop, and we're going to be left.
Now, do we need
Number
to...
7 Echo Victor, turn left ahead, contact ground 121.9er.
Perfect.
477 Echo Victor, turning left, counter-talking ground, 121.9er.
Perfect. So wait for it to get off the